Okay guys, we just got a vacuum cleaner in and I ordered it actually for my classroom. That was the sound of it in the background. But we have stairs in our apartment, and so what's better than a lightweight cordless vacuum cleaner to vacuum your stairs? Okay, here is what it looks like. Everything comes apart. This detaches, and then you just have the hand. You've got your dust filler, which we've already filled it up. We're actually getting ready to move, so this is the best way for us to clean. It has 3 different, what are those called? 3 different suction settings. Sure. And you just press it to go up or down. If you're on hardwood floor, you can use the lowest setting, or if you're on carpet or rugs, you use like at the highest setting. This tells you what your battery's charged at. My favorite part is that the battery actually detaches and you can plug it up anywhere. I think that might be the coolest thing. It also came with other attachments. It's really quiet. Let's see. When we press it, turn it on. That's 1 level, 2, 3. It works really well. I underestimated this. When I bought it, it was on sale for $69.99. I'll attach it. Use my link and buy it. Peace and blessings. Bye.